slowly pushing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Try to take over legs and pushing it up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, working with mobility, take it in one side and change in another. So 3, 4, and 5. After that, take our hand and slowly slide behind. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Stay in this position and we will try to stretch our legs. So 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fix it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So get up and then we will try to take blocks away and sit in this side and working with hip. We will get 2 and back. 2, 3, 4, and then we will do on another side.